A New Mexico transfer on death deed is used to transfer real property from the grantor to the beneficiary without having to go through probate court. As the name of the deed implies, it becomes effective at the time of the grantor's death. In this video, we'll cover how a transfer on death deed works, legal requirements, and how to revoke if necessary. We're eForms, the world's largest online database of fillable legal forms, and we're here to simplify everyday legal processes so that you can take matters into your own hands. To create your own transfer on death deed, click the link at the end of this video. Let's start with the basics. What is a transfer on death deed and how does it work? Typically, when a person passes away, their properties and assets go through the probate court before they can be dispersed to the rightful heirs. It can be a very long and complicated process. A transfer on death deed, also commonly known as a TOD deed for short, is a type of deed that allows a person to bypass probate and transfer the ownership of their real property to a designated beneficiary when they die. When the grantor dies, the beneficiary must record an affidavit confirming their death to obtain the title to the property. So what are the legal requirements for a transfer on death deed in New Mexico? The deed must be recorded with the county clerk's office in the county where the property is located prior to the grantor's death. The deed must be signed by the grantor in the presence of a notary public. A legal description of the property must be included in the form. This can be found on the property deed or at the county clerk's office. Keep in mind that it is not required by law for the grantor to notify the beneficiary about the transfer on death deed or for the beneficiary to accept it. Finally, can a transfer on death deed be revoked or changed after it's already been recorded with the county clerk? The answer is yes. In New Mexico, a transfer on death deed can be revoked in one of three ways. Complete a revocation form and get it notarized. Complete and acknowledge a new transfer on death deed containing a clause revoking any prior deeds. Transfer the property to someone else by a recorded deed that expressly revokes the transfer on death deed. To be effective, these must be recorded with the county clerk's office before the transferor's death. Ready to create your own transfer on death deed? Click the link below to get started using our easy-to-use fillable form. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos that simplify complicated legal matters.